everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to Vani Shankar's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make that is called methi ka paratha, or they will say tepla also. Okay, I'll show you the ingredients. It's very simple. I have taken wheat flour, nearly you can say 200 grams, and a little bit of turmeric powder. Of course, I nicely ground with the water. This is ginger garlic paste, salt, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and this is that fenugreek leaf, fresh leaf. Okay, I am going to show you how to make. And I have taken half a glass of warm water. Why I have taken warm water, I will tell you later. First we'll add nearly, for this much atta, we'll go for 3/4 spoon of salt and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Of course, I have taken nearly half a spoon of red chili powder. Okay, then we'll add this greens. This is fenugreek. Okay, I nicely chopped. You can add, if you want, you can add more also. This is very good for health. Now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. This is actually 2 tablespoons, but since I have put water and made it diluted, of course, otherwise it is 2 tablespoons. Okay, mix it nicely. See, why I am using hot water or warm water is, if you are in a hurry, so you can make the atta fast and just mix the dough and start making the parathas or chapatis, whatever it is, rotis. So you can make it fast. You need not to keep it for rest. And one more thing is, it will be very soft. The dough will be very soft if you add hot water. Yes, I took half a glass of water, the hot water. I used the whole water. It is perfect now. Now I am going to add little. This is 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, and we'll just mix this nicely. That's all. Put pressure and mix nicely. The dough is perfect. We need not to keep it for rest also. We can just right away we can start making the chapatis. See, this is perfect atta. Now we'll make small balls. So whatever the size you want, just touch the flour and we'll start making the balls. How big you want, you can make that. See, three, 6, 7, 8, 9, nearly 10 chapatis we can make out of 200 grams as per my so big balls. Okay, now keep the tawa for hot. We'll start making the chapatis. If it is sticking, just add the atta the flour and build. It will be very tasty. The chapati will be very tasty because you have put ginger garlic. Yes, the pan is hot. I'm going to put the chapati in this. So we'll start making the second one by that time. Yes. You have to flip this both the side every now and then, so it will be very nice, and you have to press so it will cook sides also nicely. If you want thin, some more thin, you can make it thin, or if you want thick, you can make it thick chapatis, or big, small, that is left to you. Okay, now we'll add little oil for this. I'm used to this chamach. See, perfect. See how nice, beautiful it is, and the aroma is also very nice. The ginger garlic paste, na, it's excellent smell, and it is good for health. Friends, one more thing I want to tell you is, I'm going to put the other one. When you take the fenugreek, that greens, you must wash it nicely, because there will be some mud, sand, everything will be there. So you have to wash it carefully, 3, 4, 5 times nearly you have to wash, because it will be very dirty. They'll take it out with the root, na? With the root and with the mud, everything. So you have to be very careful. Since we have put spice everything in this, so you can go with dal or dahi. That's all, very simple, you can go, or only achar. Yeah, this also over. I'm going to add oil, flip it. See, advantage of using hot water, you need not to wait for 10 minutes. If you are in a hurry, you can just finish it up fast, or if you are hungry also, of course, at the same time. Yes, see how fast we can do. I'm going to put the third chapati. So when you going to do the chapati, just do like this around and smoothen it, then just dip it in the atta, keep it and make it round. That's all, very easy, very simple. Those who are learning, you must follow all these steps, so it will be very easy for you children. Okay, see, don't put pressure. If you put pressure, it won't rotate. Otherwise, see, it will go by itself. If it is sticking, then again dip it in the atta like this. That's all. By the time you must check this also. See, once you start doing like this, now you will love to do this. Sometimes it happens, it will tear. Nothing to worry. You can just put it on top of this and press it. That's all. Now I will just check this. Yes, I'll add oil. I don't put too much, so in half a spoon only I'm managing. That is depends on your taste and of course everything. If you want to add more oil, you can add oil or butter or ghee. That is your choice. Yes. So like this, we have to finish the remaining also. Yes friends, the tepla or methi ka paratha is ready to eat, of course. So it is yummy, tasty. I put little ghee on top because dal is there and the achar is there, homemade achar of course. This recipe I'll give you later, and the curd. So in whatever you want, you can just dip it and eat. It is yummy, you can believe me. Just this is ghee with hot paratha is really yummy. You can go as it is with ghee and paratha. You need not to go with this. Of course, that is left to you. So this is yummy. Khana is ready for serve. So please try this at home and let me know your feedback. And of course, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And of course, thumbs up and bell button, ting tong. And I will see you in my new recipe with new video. See you then. Bye bye. Take care.